How to add voiceover on your KineMaster app video. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now for you to be able to add any voiceover on your video, it is simple. Just head over to this record button and then tap on it. Then you need to give your KineMaster app permission to use your microphone. So I'll go ahead and allow. Here we go. So I have allowed it. Now from here, if I go ahead and tap on record, then the recording will start automatically, and each and every time I speak, it will be recorded on my video. If I go ahead and stop and then tap on recording, now you can see we have the option to start our recording. So if I go ahead and tap on start, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, and now our recording has been added and we have now a voiceover on our app. So if I go ahead and play 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2, great. So our voiceover has been added, and now you can proceed and maybe use a voice changer to alter your voice. And to do that, it is simple. Just tap on your voice here and then scroll down here and then tap on this, and then you have the voice changer here. So you can go ahead and use any of these and then try listening in. There we go. That's how you use a voiceover on your videos in KineMaster app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel.